Imagine having an AI coding assistant that writes files, debugs, and refactors directly inside your editor, entirely on your own hardware. Today, we are going to build exactly that using Claude Code and Ollama. Moving this workflow to a local machine removes API subscription costs entirely. Because the processing happens locally, your codebase remains completely private, and you can generate new features completely offline. Before we install the software, we need to look at your hardware. The primary requirement for this setup is a dedicated GPU with enough video RAM to comfortably hold the AI model. Removing cloud dependencies allows you to prompt, test, and iterate as many times as you need without constantly worrying about your budget. Open Windows Task Manager to the Performance tab. Select your GPU to check your dedicated GPU memory. Local AI models load directly into this VRAM. Running a model needing more VRAM forces your computer to fall back to the CPU, slowing generation to a crawl. Next, open your browser and navigate to the Ollama website. Ollama is the runtime engine that executes the open-source models on your machine. Click Download and select the installer for your operating system. After installation, open a fresh terminal. Type Ollama version and hit Enter to verify the installation. If it returns command not found, close the application and start a new session to refresh your environment variables. With your hardware verified and the engine running, your machine is officially capable of hosting large language models. Next, give Ollama a model. Open the Models library and search Claude to find community-created Gemma and Quen models. We need these specific community fine-tunes because standard models struggle with the complex agentic workflows required to interface with Claude Code. Choose your preferred model and execute the Ollama run command in your terminal. This downloads the multi-gigabyte weight files to your hard drive, which will take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Bigger isn't always better. The left terminal crashes with a memory error because the massive model overloaded the hardware. The right terminal loads a lightweight model cleanly. If a model's parameter size exceeds your VRAM, it spills into system memory, effectively freezing your agent. To maintain fast agent speeds, you must actively match a lightweight model to your specific hardware limitations. With the model downloaded, we need to bridge Ollama with Anthropic's tools. In the documentation, scroll down to the Automate Your Work grid and select the Claude Code integration. Locate the exact launch script provided, highlight and copy Ollama Launch Claude. This wrapper bypasses the default Cloud API endpoint, intentionally routing all Claude Code requests directly back to your local machine. Launch VS Code and load the project folder you want the AI to work on. Then, open your integrated terminal at the bottom of the screen. Make sure your terminal path is located directly at the root folder of your project. Paste the launch command and press Enter. A list will appear showing the models currently on your system. Use your arrow keys to select the specific local model we downloaded earlier and press Enter to bind it. The agent is now actively listening directly inside your IDE, meaning you can issue commands and manage files without switching applications. Let's test the connection by typing a plain English instruction for a JavaScript calculator file. Keep instructions focused on one file or function at a time. Lightweight models can lose context if given massive multi-file requests. Hit Execute. You will notice a short delay. Local GPUs take a few seconds to process the context of your prompt before text generation begins. Once generation completes, review the code logic immediately in your editor pane. Verify the syntax, and if it matches what you asked for, type Y in the terminal prompt to accept the changes. You started with a text prompt. The local model processed the instruction, and the output is now a functioning, saved file in your project directory. You now have a highly capable private AI coding assistant operating directly on your local hardware, entirely disconnected from the internet. Try experimenting with the Ollama registry. Pull down different model weights and test them against your typical workflow to see which handles your preferred coding languages best. Taking the time to configure a local AI environment keeps your data private and your tools free, making it an incredibly practical asset for software development.